Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook corned beef brisket. First, rinse your corned beef brisket thoroughly under cold water to remove any excess salt from the curing process. Next, place the brisket, fat side up, into a large pot or Dutch oven. Don't forget to add the included spice packet or your own blend of pickling spices for that classic flavor. This initial step is crucial for a delicious outcome. Now, let's talk about the cooking liquid. Cover the brisket completely with cold water, beer, or beef broth. Bring the liquid to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. This low and slow method is key. You'll want to cook it for about 2.5 to 3 hours per pound, or until it's incredibly fork tender. Patience here will be rewarded with a wonderfully succulent brisket. For a complete meal, you can add vegetables. During the last 45 to 60 minutes of cooking, introduce hearty vegetables like quartered potatoes, chunky carrots, and wedges of cabbage to the pot. Make sure they are cut into similar-sized pieces for even cooking and are submerged in the flavorful liquid. They will absorb all those wonderful spices and become perfectly tender alongside your brisket. Once your brisket is cooked to perfection, carefully remove it from the pot. It's important to let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more tender result. Always slice the corned beef against the grain for maximum tenderness. Serve your delicious corned beef brisket immediately with the cooked vegetables and a dollop of your favorite mustard. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.